Hi everyone, welcome back to another ethnic winter fashion video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can style a basic black turtleneck in different ways to create different Indo-Western looks. A black turtleneck is so versatile. You can pair it with saris, wear it under kurtas and whatnot. So if you want to know how I style it in different ways, please keep on watching. For the first look I had to drape a sari. So I'm wearing a basic block printed sari with a black turtleneck, and I have draped the sari normally, but I have just taken the pallu and turned it around my neck and got it in front. To secure it in place, I have tied a tan color wrap style belt on my waist, and this is how it looks. For jewelry, I'm wearing this gorgeous pair of silver bangles with blue stones and also a silver kara bangle. I'm wearing the bangles over the sleeves of the turtleneck and I really like the way it looks. On the other hand, I'm wearing a simple silver ring with blue enamel work. Then I will also wear a pair of silver earrings that I recently got from Westside, and these are so pretty. I do not have anything in this shape and I really like this pair. I actually really like Westside jewelry in general. They are affordable and so good looking. This off-white sari with blue and red block print is looking super nice against the black turtleneck. The tan belt is also looking so nice. Of course, I'm wearing it with my tan color shoes. It's such a modern way of draping a sari and everything looks so good together. Finally, I will carry my brown leather bag and this is the finished look. Let me know if you like experimenting with different sari drapes and if you like wearing your saris with turtlenecks. If you live in a place where the winters are really harsh, you can also add a long black jacket on top. And this is how the outfit looks with the jacket. For the second look, I'm wearing this full sleeves ajrak printed anarkali with these really pretty printed panels over the black turtleneck, and I'm also wearing similar printed pants. I'm wearing my blue and black heels. Now coming to jewelry, I have layered two necklaces in such a way that it hides the neckline of the anarkali. I think it gives like a cleaner look and also doesn't make it too obvious that I'm wearing a turtleneck inside. And I also really like the way the two necklaces are looking together. The anarkali has such a nice flare and I have styled it a little differently in my previous video. You can check it out, I'll link it above. Next, I will casually drape an ajrak dupatta on one side like this. The dupatta is looking so nice with the anarkali. You can also add a black jacket on top. And then drape the dupatta on one side on top of the jacket like I'm doing here. And secure it in place with a belt. And then finally I will carry a black handbag to complete the look. I absolutely love the way this look turned out. Let me know what you think. Next, I wanted to create an all black outfit. So I'm wearing the black turtleneck along with high-waisted black pants. These are from Ajio. I exchanged the previous one and this one fits me perfectly. Please check out my Ajio haul. I'll link it above. And then for jewelry, I have again layered these two beautiful necklaces together. I really like the combination of these two Afghan jewelry. I wore this combination in my previous video along with an all white outfit. You can check that video out as well. I'll link it above. And then finally I'll wear my black long jacket. I'll carry my black handbag to complete the look. This is a very simple outfit, but I really like the way this turned out, especially because of the layered necklaces. For the next look, I just changed the pants. Here I'm wearing these mustard color culottes. I also removed the longer necklace. I'm just wearing one Afghan necklace here. but I've added a statement ring and a silver bangle. I'm carrying my square sling bag and I'm also wearing my tan shoes, and this is the finished look. For the next look, I'm wearing the black turtleneck under a rust colored dress. I've actually tried to use all the clothing pieces that I recently bought. And then to add something warm, I'm going to wear my DIY shawl jacket. I have a video on this DIY jacket. If you want, you can check it out. I'll link it above. Also wearing my favorite tan color heels. Then for jewelry, I'm just going to add a statement ring and carry my black handbag to complete the look. This is actually an extension to the previous look. So I will just wrap this rust orange color dupatta around my neck, and that is it. The rest of the outfit is exactly the same, but this time I will add a sling bag to complete the look. Coming to the second last outfit, this is actually a very casual one. So I'm wearing my wide-legged, high-waisted blue denim pants with the black turtleneck. I'm also wearing this tribal necklace. Then for some layering, I'm going to add this maroon color woolen shrug that I got from Ajio. It's a very simple look, but adding a shrug like this instantly made the outfit more special. I'm wearing my tan heels, also carrying my square sling bag to complete the look. For the final outfit idea, I'm wearing the black turtleneck with an indigo printed maxi skirt. Then for jewelry, I'm wearing this ghungru and mirror statement necklace along with these really pretty bangles. I'm wearing the bangles over the sleeves of the turtleneck, and the silver necklace is also looking really nice on the plain black turtleneck. I will also add a matching blue scarf. And carry this round sling bag to complete the look. So that is it for this video. Let me know which is your favorite way of styling a black turtleneck. If you like this video, then don't forget to check out other videos on my channel, and please do share my content with your friends and family. You can find my social media details in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.